There's just something so sweet about watching a little one sit down with a brand new Lego set and truly getting into it. This is the Lego City Motorcycle Transporter, and it's made for ages 4 and up. My grandson is 5, which means it feels big kid exciting, but it's still totally doable for preschool hands. My grandson was so proud from the very beginning, spreading everything out, taking his time, and getting himself organized like it was serious business. And I love the sets like this because it naturally just slows them down in the best way. It gives them something to focus on, something to figure out, and that little burst of confidence every time they realize, oh, I can do this. This one comes with a flatbed truck and 2 motorcycles, plus 2 race car figures and helmets. So once it's built, it's not the kind of toy that just sits there. It turns into a whole little world. The ramp makes it fun because they can load the bikes, unload the bikes, and then suddenly you've got races happening across the living room floor. And the little details are so cute. There are a few accessories like a wrench, a cup, and a phone, which sounds small, but those are those exact things that make kids start telling stories. They don't just play, they narrate. They create characters. They make it their own. If you're looking for an easy gift that feels special, keeps them busy, and then actually gets played with after, this is a really good one. Consistency is my standard, and Lego is one of those toys that never disappoints in our house. As an Amazon influencer, I share products I genuinely use and recommend. I may earn a small commission. It never costs you more. Thank you so much for supporting my work.